So, if you want to create a custom order form in Shopify, well, there is a way for you to do this. So, what do you need to do? Well, first things first is you need to install a free app that you can get directly from Shopify. So, in this case, you want to go to your settings at the bottom left, and you want to go ahead and click on Apps and Sales Channel, and click on Shopify App Store at the top right. Now, in here, what we need to do is you want to search something basic. So, don't worry, this one is a free app. So, just type in form. Just press enter and look for something specific to Shopify forms. Now, like this one. Let's go and just select this one. Now, go and just install this and confirm that you want to use this in your store. But once you have this, you just need to open this up. Let's go and click on open. Or, by the way, you can access the same thing, our same app here by going to Apps and Sales channel here. And you should see forms again. Go and just select that. But in here, once you do have forms open up, what we need to do is you want to go and just create your form. Now, there are multiple forms here. Now, you might have seen like forms or the Forms app being used as a sign-up form or a email sign-up form. Well, the great thing about this app is it's actually very customizable. So at the top right, you want to go and click on create form. At the top right, and you want to go and choose inline form. Let's go ahead and select this one. And let's just say this is going to be custom order. Now, obviously, you could go and just customize this. Like, if there's a custom order for a specific product, you go and name that for that because certain orders have specific fields that they need to use. So, you could go and just create multiple ones. Let's go and click on create. Now, from here, you want to go and just change the title. Like, for example, this is going to be for custom order. Content is going to be orders custom made. And from here, you can go and just change the field. Now, let's go and just delete a few of them here. Let's go and choose the email. This one is required, by the way. This is pretty important. Let's go and choose add new field. Now, maybe I want to say new field here. And let's just say this is going to be single line text. Now, from here, I'm going to label this as, let's just say this is going to be description of design. Now from here, see, these are validations. So if you want to add those, like if you want to have like specific text only, add it in here, go and do that. But yeah, let's go and just make this a required one. Also store as customer meta field. So if you want to store this as a customer meta field, you could go and do that. Click on done. And we now have a description of design. So going to go add a new field here. New field again. And maybe I want to say this is going to be a drop-down list. Now, drop-down list is going to be the size. This is an example. This is going to be a small, and this is going to be medium. Obviously, if you want to add like certain specific numbers, like how many inches it is, you could go ahead and do that. Let's go and just choose large. And drop-down style. And let's go ahead and click on the label here. Let's just say this is going to be the size. Click on done. Now, obviously, you could go ahead and add whatever you want in here, whatever you need. But once you're actually done here, you could go and just access a few things like what's the success behavior here, redirect to another page, or show a message. Now, what's the discount if you want to add those, like what's the title. So thank you for the form has been submitted. So this is just the success page if they do submit the form. Also have like the fonts in here if you want to customize that, the placement as well, and also the language, and also the tags if you want to set that as an email notification. So send an email for each submission here, so it will submit a an email to the person that is the owner of this store. So in my case, me. So I will be notified. So let's go and click on save. And once you have this save, you just need to start adding this into your let's just say your store. So how do you do that? Let's go and click on online store at the left side here. Go and click on teams, and you want to go and click on edit team. Now, obviously, you could go and add this in whatever page you want. You could even create your own custom page and your own template here, or your page template if you want. But as an example, I'm just going to add this into my homepage here. Let's go and add a new section. Let's go and choose the apps section here. Let's go and choose forms, and this is our form. As you can see, we this actually selected an incorrect form for me. Let's go and click on this one, apps. See if it's going to be added. Like, let's just duplicate. Let's just select this one. And also another thing, you need to make sure that you turn on this form, so it's now turned on. And you want to go and just copy the form ID. So here's our form ID. Copy this one real quickly. Go back in here. So paste our form ID. Wait for a while. And I'm just going to click on save so that we have our changes here. And also, if you have like other forms currently active, I would highly recommend you to disable that first. Turn off form, so it's not going to block your view. But yeah, just give some idea. This is what my store looks like as of right now. Scroll down a bit. So we have now our custom order here, and you just need to add the email, description, the size for it, as you can see here now, and just click on submit. And whenever someone submits this one or submit this form, I'll be notified. And also, you could view it in the form itself. So at the top right, you have your view submissions, and this is where the submissions are going to be. So if you want to view them, but that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.